In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry email signature images from Canva. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry email signature images from Canva. If your signature looks crisp in Canva, but turns soft or fuzzy once you add it to your email, it's usually because the image was exported at too low a resolution or in the wrong format. The good news is, you can solve this quickly by downloading the file correctly from Canva. Start by opening your email signature design in Canva. Make sure everything looks exactly how you want it to appear in your email. Your logo, name, and any icons should be properly aligned and not stretched. When the design is ready, head to the top right corner and click Share. Then choose Download. This is where the quality settings that matter most are located. For the file type, select PNG. PNG preserves sharp edges and text much better than formats that use heavy compression, which helps your signature stay crisp. If your design needs to sit on top of your email's background color or a pattern without a white box around it, enable transparent background. This keeps only your design visible and removes any solid background behind it. Next, under Size, increase the resolution by choosing 2x, or use a custom size if you prefer more control. Doubling the size gives the image more pixels, which helps it look sharper when displayed at normal signature dimensions. As a simple guideline, exporting at 2x and then placing it in your email at its intended display size usually delivers a clear result. Avoid scaling the image up later inside your email client. Downscaling is fine, but upscaling can bring back the blur you're trying to avoid. Once you've set PNG, transparency if needed, and the larger size, click Download. Canva will process the image and save it to your device. When you insert the downloaded PNG into your email signature settings, it should appear noticeably crisper. If it still looks off, double-check that you're not dragging the corners to enlarge it after inserting. Keep it at the intended size so those extra pixels can do their job. And that's how you fix blurry email signature images from Canva. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.